What's good, y'all? Welcome back to this week's video. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I know my ends are terrible, okay? I know I need to get them cut. I don't know what style I'm going for today. I'm thinking maybe like half up, half down, and then I'll do like two like ponytails, you know, instead of like one. I think that'll be kind of cute, and then I'll get my edges right and all that. So first thing I do is I take some water and I just get my hair all nice and wet. I move my hair around, make sure I get everything because my hair is so thick and curly. Then once I'm done with that, I take this holy grail of mine. I love this stuff so much. This is the Soft Sheen Carson Soft Pro Hair and Scalp Spray Comb Out Conditioner. This is for extra dry because my hair and scalp are definitely extra dry. This stuff is so good. First two ingredients are water and glycerin, and their little, like, you know, mission statement on the back says, "Hair and Scalp Spray is an exclusive blend of softeners designed especially for dry and damaged hair. Special moisturizers soften and condition hard to manage hair and add long-lasting sheen without messy buildup." You can use it as a detangler, which it definitely works as one. It makes your hair like so soft and slippery almost that it makes it so easy. You could use it like that, or you could just spray it in your afro and it makes it so soft and it gives it like a nice sheen. Yeah, I just go in and spray everything. Now my hair is already combed out because I just have to keep it combed out. So I do comb out my hair like twice a day. Even still, I did just wake up and I haven't done my hair today, obviously, but look at that. Like, it took like 5 seconds to run this brush through my hair. And I love the way this stuff smells. Ugh, it just smells so good. And this might be a little weird, but it tastes good too. You know, like when you're spraying it and then you breathe it in through your mouth and you kind of taste it a little bit. But look, that took me like 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to take this Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. This stuff is pretty good too. It says it activates curls, delivers volume and shine, reveals frizz-free bouncy curls. I think about that much. You really don't need that much depending on, you know, how thick your hair is. So I just take it, warm it up in my hand, and then I'll turn my head upside down and I'll just lightly finger this through my hair and kind of doing a scrunching motion with my hands. It still keeps the curl pattern to my hair. And as you can see, that definitely added some volume to my hair. And my hair is not frizzy. My hair feels so soft with these two products combined. This one especially. This is like, my grandmother used to use this on me as a kid. Like this is all she would use. Smells like her. Like, it reminds me of her. Then I take my comb and I just part my hair. This is what I do for this style. I just part straight down the middle. So I just part it like that, straight down the middle. Making sure it's as straight as possible. I don't really focus too much on the part in the back because I can't see, and it would literally take me forever to get the part straight by myself, and I just don't have that patience, you know? So I just kind of like eyeball it. I don't really, or like eyeball it because I can't see, but like I just kind of feel around for it. Just section it off with my fingers. And usually I would take these like pieces and I would comb them back and get them to stay with this super hold. But I kind of don't want to do that today. I kind of want to leave this out because it's kind of cute. I'm going to take this little itty bitty brush and comb this section upwards. And then just take my rubber band and tighten it up. And there you go. We have this cute little like half up, half down situation with me. We're gonna do my edges too, don't you worry. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and do this other side. Cute, kawaii. And then I kind of just like fluff and pull at the puffs just a little bit, just to get them, you know, just to get them looking a little more alive and like zhuzh them up. Now, time for the edges. So I just go in and re-wet my edges a little bit. This super wet maximum hold, so it doesn't really work that well if you're putting it on dry hair. I mean, you can. I mean, you can do whatever you want. But I just go in first and put the product on. Then I go in and I just brush all the hairs down. And then I'll just press on it with my finger lightly. And I hold it where I want the, like, the curl or the change in pattern to go. So just press down, and then I'll take the tail and I'll just swipe back towards the ponytail and kind of merging it with the rest of my hair. You can do it with, you know, the comb part, but I prefer the tail. And then I'll just go over that same spot. Just make sure it's nice and clean. Just keep going, doing the same thing. And there you go. That's pretty much all I do. It's not very complicated. I just kind of experiment and do what I'm feeling that day. And yeah, like sometimes I might do like some cornrows or some French braids into these ponytails, and it'll like kind of like a little jazz it up, you know? My, you know, nightly hair care routine is pretty much the same thing. Pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I'm sorry this was such a short video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed regardless. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.